Hi friends, welcome to Sindhu English. இன்னைக்கு TRB GKல யூனிட் 5 ஜெனரல் சயின்ஸ். ஸோ இந்த டாபிக்ல இருந்து தான் நம்ம இப்போ 100 கொஷின்ஸஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டாபிக் சயின்டிஃபிக் நாலேஜ் அண்ட் சயின்டிஃபிக் டெம்பர். வாட் இஸ் த பிரைமரி கோல் ஆஃப் சயின்டிஃபிக் டெம்பர்? Encouraging critical thinking and evidences-based reasoning. So this is the primary goal of scientific temper. Who is considered the father of modern chemistry? Who is considered the father of modern chemistry? The answer is Antoine Laurent de Lavoisier. Antoine Laurent de Lavoisier. What does the term scientia mean in the context of science? What does the term scientia mean in the context of science? It means knowledge. Which of the following is a characteristics of scientific theory? It is supported by repeated experiments and evidence. The scientific method primarily relies on empirical evidence and logical reasoning. The main concepts of life science evaluation. Who proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection? Who proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection? The answer is Charles Darwin. What is the term for the process where organisms better adapted to their environment survive and reproduce? What is the term for the process where organisms better adapted to their environment survive and reproduce? The answer is natural selection. Which of the following is a vestigial structure in humans? Appendix. Fossils found in the lowest geological state are generally most primitive. The term survival of the fittest is associated with Darwinism. Next topic, nutrition. Which nutrient is the primary source of energy for the human body? The answer is carbohydrates. What is the main function of dietary fiber? What is the main function of dietary fiber? Answer is aiding digestion. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Vitamin K. The deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. Which mineral is crucial for hemoglobin formation? Iron. Health and hygiene. What is the best way to prevent the spread of communicable diseases? The proper hand washing. Which of the following is a good hygiene practice? Regular bathing and oral hygiene. What is the main purpose of pasteurization? Killing the harmful bacteria in food. Which organ is most affected by poor hygiene leading to dental caries? The answer is teeth. The smallest skeletal muscle in the human body is located in. The smallest skeletal muscle in the human body is located in the ear, stapedius muscle. Human diseases. Which disease is caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis? Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The answer is tuberculosis. Which of the following is a viral disease? Which of the following is a viral disease? Influenza. So flu virus அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Influenza. Filariasis is transmitted by mosquitoes. Deficiency of iodine in the diet leads to goiter. Which of the following is a non-communicable disease? Diabetes. Environment and ecology. Ecology deals with the study of relationships between living and non-living components. The final stable community in an ecological succession is called climax community. Conservation within the natural habitat is known as in situ conservation. The animal symbol of the World Wildlife Fund WWF is giant bonda. Which gas is the primary contributor to the greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide. Which of the following is a renewable resource? Solar energy. The ozone layer primarily protects Earth by absorbing the ultraviolet UV radiation. Which of the following is a biodegradable pollutant? Sewage. The process of converting atmospheric nitrogen into usable compounds by bacteria is called nitrogen fixation. Which national park is located in Kerala? Pambadamchola National Park. What is the primary source of energy for Earth climate system? Solar energy. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Methane. The term biodiversity refers to the variety of life forms in an ecosystem. Which of the following is an example of primary consumer? Which of the following is an example of primary consumer? The answer is grasshopper. The process by which green plant produce food using sunlight is called photosynthesis. Next. The smallest unit of life capable of independent existence is. The smallest unit of life capable of independent existence is cell. Which scientist discovered the double helix structure of DNA? James Watson and Francis Crick. The process of gradual change in species over time is called. The process of gradual change in the species over time is called evolution. Which of the following is a macronutrient? Nitrogen. The disease caused by vitamin C deficiency is scurvy. Vitamin C deficiency. Which of the following is waterborne disease? Waterborne disease. The answer is cholera. The primary function of the respiratory system is the primary function of the respiratory system is gas exchange. Which of the following is an ex situ conservation method? Zoos. The main source of air pollution in urban area is vehicles emissions. The term traffic level refers to the term trophic level refers to the position of an organism in a food chain. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? The answer is mitochondria. Golden rice is genetically engineered to produce vitamin A. Golden rice is genetically engineered to produce vitamin A. Which of the following is a communicable disease? Communicable disease, measles. The primary function of curtain in the skin is to make the skin waterproof. The process of ecological succession begins with pioneer species. Which of the following is a non-renewable resource? The answer is coal. The chemical formula for water is H2O. Which part of the brain regulates the autonomic functions like hunger and thirst? Which part of the brain regulates autonomic functions like hunger and thirst? The answer is hypothalamus. The carrier of malaria is Anopheles mosquito. Which of the following is an endothermic reaction? Photosynthesis. The largest cell in the human body is egg cell. The primary pigment responsible for photosynthesis is chlorophyll. Which of the following is a source of vitamin T? Which of the following is a source of vitamin T? The answer is sunlight. The disease tetanus is also known as lockjaw. The process of breaking down food into simpler substance is called digestion. Which of the following is a primary producer in an ecosystem? Which of the following is a primary producer in an ecosystem? The answer is algae. The human body contains how many chromosomes? The human body contains how many chromosomes? 46. Which of the following is the greenhouse gas? So idhula greenhouse gas edu appdin solli kekranga. The answer is carbon dioxide. The study of heredity and variation in organism is called genetics. So, which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? Vitamin A. The main source of water pollution in a river is industrial waste. The smallest bone in the human body is the smallest bone in the human body is stapes. Which of the following is a bacterial disease? Typhoid. The term biome refers to a large ecological area with similar flora and fauna. Which gas is essential for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. The disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin D is rickets. Which of the following is a renewable energy source? Wind energy. The main function of the large intestine is absorb water. The term pisciculture is related to. The term pisciculture is related to fish farming. The primary cause of the global warming is. The primary cause of the global warming is increased greenhouse gas emissions. Which of the following is a parasitic disease? Which of the following is a parasitic disease? The answer is malaria. The process of nitrogen fixation is primarily carried out by bacteria. The largest organ in the human body is. The largest organ in the human body is the skin. Which of the following is a component of a balanced diet? Proteins. The main purpose of the vaccination is to prevent disease. Which of the following is a secondary consumer? Frog. The chemical symbol for sodium chloride is NaCl. The disease caused by the deficiency of niacin is pellagra. The process of removing microplastics from ocean water involves magnetic nanoparticles. The smallest unit of an element is. The smallest unit of an element is atom. The term photosynthesis is associated with plants. Which of the following is the symptom of diabetes mellitus? Increased thirst. The main function of the ozone layer is to absorb the UV radiation. Which of the following is a source of protein? Answer is lentils. The disease caused by the HIV virus is AIDS. The term ecosystem refers to a community of organisms and their environment. Which of the following is a vector for dengue? Which of the following is a vector for dengue? The answer is Aedes mosquito. The primary source of energy for producers in an ecosystem is sunlight. The term amnesia is related to loss of memory. The process of converting food into energy in cells is called respiration. Okay friends, so இன்னைக்கு GKல இருந்த 100 கொஸ்டின்ஸஸ் இப்போ பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஸோ இதே மாதிரி அடுத்த யூனிட்டுக்கான 100 கொஸ்டின்ஸஸை நாம் அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ நம்மளுடைய சேனலில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்குறீங்க அப்படின்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்போ தான் நாங்களோட அடுத்தடுத்த வீடியோஸஸ் உங்களுக்கு வரும். ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், தேங்க்யூ ஆல்.